Welcome to the Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. Unless you're talking about the whole of the cosmos, the first rule of systems thinking is to define the boundary of the system. In a sense, it's like when we play a game and we have paint or rope telling the players where the boundary is, what's in and what's out. In the world of organizations, we need to determine not only the outer boundary, say, of a company, but also the inner boundaries of, for example, a strategic business unit or a major function. We might go further still and define the boundary by creating a portfolio of work, and within that, programs and projects. In all well-managed organizations, there's a hierarchy of accountability that takes you from the most humble task at the bottom to the corporate boardroom's lofty heights. Where you draw your boundary in that hierarchy, or in fact where it is marked for you by the organization's governance model, represents your span of control. Within this span, you can control the use of the resources put at your disposal. But it is the rare case that you have all that you need to complete a given piece of work without help from colleagues and resources under their span of control. Often, there is no easy answer as to who gets the scarce resources first, and you have to look at the system boundary which defines the level above yours. Now, you're out of your span of control and managing into your sphere of influence. You're likely to need to influence both your peers and their respective bosses to achieve your outcome. Gaining clarity for you and your team around what is legitimately within your span of control is one half of the puzzle of productively completing your work. Using your powers of persuasion to influence those outside your span of control completes the puzzle. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.